Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to the show. My name is Mike and today I've got a special unboxing video for you because right here we got a PS VR2. Well, at least I think it's a PS VR2. Let's open it up and find out for sure. Packing slip, PlayStation VR2 logo, so we're doing good so far. And there we have it, PS VR2. This is the Horizon Call of the Mountain bundle. So it's got two seals intact here. We're going to cut them. So there you go, you can see how it opens up. And then this one here actually opens up again. A box here on top, let's see what's in there. With a wire, some headphones, full game download, a really long wire attached to the headset. Got a controller and a controller. And that's everything in the box. So you'll see here, I've got my area ready. The PlayStation, I moved it to the floor. That was recommended because it is attached to the headset, and if you pull it off your shelf, you might regret that. So I've moved my PlayStation down very low to the ground, not on my carpet. I don't recommend you putting it on carpet, but you want to get it very close to the floor. Connect your VR headset to the PlayStation 5 console with the cable to the USB Type-C port right on the front there. You can see cable comes out. It's already attached to the headset, goes straight to the USB-C port on the front. It's the littler one. You turn on the PlayStation 5 console, turn on the VR headset. There's a button on the bottom to turn it on. When you turn it on, you should feel some haptics, and it turns white there. As soon as I turned it on, it prompted me to update the software on the PlayStation VR2, so I did that. And now it's asking me to set it up. So in order to set it up, you have to make sure you have the necessary hardware, which you can see here. It's a controller, the DualSense controllers, the two PSVR2 controllers. You need the headphones, which come with extra pieces, and another USB-C power. It's probably for charging the controllers. Let's take a look at the controllers. There is a left and a right indicator on each controller, right there inside there. And I don't know if you can see that, but it says left. After you have all the necessary accessories, you start by using the DualSense wireless controller and follow the instructions displayed on your TV to complete the setup. So let's do that now. Get your VR headset ready. Connect the stereo headphones to your VR headset. Here's the stereo headphones. There's a plug right there. Plugs in right there and right there. Clips right in. There's a clip on each side. This piece plugs in here and this piece plugs in here. The next thing we're supposed to do is pair the PS VR2 Sense controllers one by one to the PS5. Plug it in there. Start with the right one. Bottom of the hand thing is the connector. Pair your controller by pressing the PlayStation button on the controller. Your PS VR2 Sense controller right is now paired. That was pretty easy. Connect your PS VR2 Sense controller using the same cable. Okie dokie. Let's do that, simple enough. Both of your PS controllers are connected. Now unplug the USB cables from your controllers and put them down within easy reach. So we're going to move this cable out of the way for now. And when I do set up and start playing, I'm going to play away from the PlayStation. So this cord is always behind me. I'm going to face away from my TV, away from the PlayStation when I'm playing. So this cord is behind me. That's probably important. The function button on the headset here, you have the power button, you have a speaker, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 eyes, and you have a function button. Take steps to prevent pets, children, or other obstacles entering the area. So I'm going to get some obstacles out of our way like that. I'm actually going to move these controllers up here as well. I believe that I should be able to see out of the headset using the eyes. Adjust the brightness of your room. So we're gonna make it a little bit dimmer in here. It's still pretty bright. Hopefully that's not too dim. Press this button, pull it out. Like that. Release the headband. You press the button on the back and pull it out. You want to put the lower headband underneath the back of your head. Alright, I'm tightening it up now. And then I'm pressing the button to move the thing to my eyes. That you're in the right spot. It shows you that it's blue. Tighten it up significantly more and it seems to be steady pretty good now. And I'm done. It's all blue. So that's it. Thanks everyone. That was really crazy. I played about 2 minutes of Horizon Call of the Mountain and it was insane. So I want to make another video for you guys for that. Didn't want to get too far into it. Just a preview. I was sitting on a canoe and I was seeing all of the like dinosaurs and I was like, oh, this is crazy. I was like yelling. And the NPC in front of me, she turns around, she goes, shut up, are you trying to get us killed? It was like so crazy. So anyways, thanks for watching. My name is Mike. You can catch me on Twitch at StillNFAC and on YouTube at NotFooling AroundCrew. That's 2 words. You can join me at the NotFooling AroundCrew Discord server. There's an invitation to that in my bio. If you like the channel, please hit those subscribe and bell notifications. It helps out so much and you won't miss any future content. So thanks for watching. See you. Oh yeah, see this? We want this behind me at all times. We're gonna play in this direction. So my hand things are right here and you can see straight through the thing. There's cameras to let you see through it. I should probably move the viewing up for you guys. I wish someone else was here to move the camera up so you weren't looking at my junk the whole time. Bam, bam, let's do this. Ka, 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 ka.